Now, with the previous video, we started to look for known vulnerabilities in Bbox. And the next few videos, we're going to cover these problems and so much more. So here's another one. Now, within your reconnaissance phase, let's say that we discover the SQLite directory. And when you follow, this page will open. It is an SQLite Manager interface. And you can easily get the version information from the upper part of the page here. Okay, so that's how it goes. Now, after detecting the version, we'll look for public exploits. So go to exploit-db.com, check verified exploits, and type in the search box SQLite. Okay, so the exploits here are listed. Now we need to find exploits that match our SQLite version on our target. So I think this local file inclusion correlates to our version. And this is the content. Now the current theme cookie is vulnerable to LFI. And they viewed the magic file. That's just a payload. There are no extra files or anything else. So let's go to the manager page, then enable Foxy Proxy. From the main menu, choose something, and it will automatically request. So open burp, and the request is like that, but there's no cookie information that we look for. So we'll forward it, and the response comes. And looky what we have here. The server sets SQLite Manager current theme cookie. So that's great. Forward it. And now the page will request other components. And naturally, the browser will send the current theme cookie. Okay, so let's delete this value and add this one. But now I want to point out an important thing here. The null character at the end of the payload, if you don't put it in, it's going to fail. So when we look at the code, you'll know why. Okay, so forward it. Okay, that's very nice. We get the content of our magic file. Now, we've already seen this file, so it's really no big deal. You don't have to see it again. So we validate and then exploit the vulnerability. Now go to Terminal, go to SQLite directory, and there are files and folders here. Now to analyze the code quickly, you can run a grep command. So type grep SQLite Manager current theme RNI and run. So this text is used 5 times in 2 different files. Now, view the first file and have a look at this part of the code. If theme variable in post request is set, the application sets the current theme cookie. If the current theme cookie is already set, the application sets its value to the local theme cookie. Okay, go back. And now I'm going to look for local theme. And of course, it takes a little more to analyze manually. But, I'm used to it, and you'll get used to it. But I think, look here, the last line is interesting. It has an include function as well. So go to this file, and this line, it is here. So the application includes the value in the local theme once, and the null characters we put after the payload eliminate the rest. Okay, so now you know how to get a full shell over an LFI vulnerability. We practiced in the LFI section. I know you remember it well. That's why I'm leaving the rest for you.